Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back. In this very video, we will finish reading and pronunciation of the unit / a world without books / let's get started. For books are a source of comfort for us. They are a safe shelter. Throughout human history, man has found peace in the written works. Books are bridges. Through their pages we make our contact with society. Those who read more are better prepared to face the world than those who don't read. 5. Though reading a book connects us with humanity, it is also the last truly private act in a world that has become too public. As a nourishment for the mind, it is slow food in a world given over to fast food. Blogs, text messages, and e-books bring relevance and instant gratification much as newspapers and magazines do. But however important such forms are, they endure only as long as the stuff they are printed on. The comforts of books defy time and break borders. Books offer other types of pleasures as well. The joy of their touch, sound, and fragrance is immeasurable. The pleasure of their understanding is an addition to it. The sharing of a book with friends is still another form of joy. Libraries are the evidence of grandeur of a civilization. 6. It is important that we work to give every person the opportunity to enjoy books as shelters, sustenance, and roads forward. To imagine a world without books is to imagine a world without thought, feeling, compassion, history, or voice. Dear viewers, we have finished our unit with reading and pronunciation point of view. Wait for next video. Allah Hafiz.